How do I delete a tax return that was created in Turbotax desktop for Windows? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. You can delete a tax return from within the TurboTax Windows desktop program on the very first screen after starting the program, or go to File Open, click on the large square icon representing the file you wish to delete. Now you want to hit on the delete key and answer the prompt, or you can also start the program on the first page. Click on the blue Find a Tax File link at the bottom of the box. Then in the list that pops up, you can right click on the file and choose delete, or you can delete it from Windows. You can delete the wrong return like any other file on your computer. The tax files end in .tax 2023 and should be in your documents folder and then in your TurboTax subfolder, or search for your computer for all .tax files. And in this way, you can delete a tax return that was created in TurboTax desktop. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.